And today we're gonna be watching. I can see farting in the hood prank gone wrong. I mean, I don't know why he deciding to do this, my nigga. But let's get it. I don't know why.
You're a camera, nigga. You're a camera. Nigga, stop.
Oh God, I'm not letting that shit slide, bro. I ain't letting that shit slide, bro.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy D the Matt.
Fuck the Cowboys.
And today we're doing a fart prank in the hood.
Fuck the Cowboys.
Things got too out of control. My fart toy.
Oh, he got a fart toy.
Y'all gonna see through the video. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and get this video to 1,000 likes.
This nigga blended in, bro.
You're a Cowboys fan, we're going to Super Bowl this year. I'm not lying.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's
playing.
why.
Excuse me, man. Are you a Cowboys fan?
Yes.
Who's your favorite player?
Past or present?
Oh, the old players.
Oh, the old players? I'd probably say Emmett.
Emmett?
Or Troy.
Nigga, Emmett cold. I know about Emmett. I don't even fuck with the Cowboys. Feel me? As I can see, bro, I don't know what the fuck this shit come from.
The
this shit just be appearing, bro.
Cooper?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, yeah.
And then Cooper cold, too.
Yeah.
I know a little something about football. I don't watch sports.
CeeDee Lamb?
Yeah.
Are we going to the playoffs?
Yes, we are.
Are we going to win?
No, y'all not.
See?
They not, bro. They just like the Saints,
See,
bro.
Cowboys won the Super Bowl this year.
See, I'm a Saints fan, but man, I ain't got no hope for them niggas right now, man. I don't know what's going on, bro.
We're not.
Bro.
Come on, man.
My bad, punk
Bro,
ass.
just gonna put his Instagram right there, blocking the scream and shit.
You all right?
Punk ass.
Yeah, nigga.
I don't talk no punk ass, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you, bro?
Look, you're a camera. You're a
That
camera.
nigga threw that bit at the cameraman.
You're a camera, nigga. Calm your head down. All right, bro. Stop. Bro, stop.
The nigga be like, punk ass.
Okay, chill, dude. Chill. It's a prank, my nigga. Okay.
Bro got the in loving memory of shirt, you know. RP, you know what I'm saying, to whoever died, but hold up. Let me see the back of that nigga head. Y'all seen the back of that nigga head, bro? What I told you about that shit? Didn't I tell y'all about people messing with people like that? I know my little the words and shit kind of blocking, but y'all can see that fucking haircut a little bit. I know y'all can. Y'all can see that shit. I mean, yeah, there you go. Boom. Perfect. Bro, look at that shit, my nigga. Bro, any nigga with that shit, bro, don't mess with them, bro. They dangerous, my nigga. They dangerous, bro. If they woke up one day and chose to get that haircut, bro, they dangerous, bro. I promise you, they dangerous, bro. Hey, let me put y'all on though. Not put y'all on, but in Louisiana when I was younger, right? They got this haircut called the South Side, bro. Little niggas used to be wearing the fuck out that shit. Shit, let me show y'all how this shit look. Outside. Called the South Side for a reason. Look at this shit, boy. Look at this shit, boy. This nigga got a fat ass head, but it's a perfect example. See this shit? Man, boy. Niggas should have just a triangle in the front, nigga, and everything else be bald as hell, nigga. Boy, muscular ass head. Nigga got a muscle head, boy. But that's the only piece of patch. That's kind of like that, but it's like they must call that shit the North Side or something. I don't know, man. I don't know what that shit called, bro. But that shit, man, that's not it, bro. Damn, she been in all over.
My bad, man.
Damn, that booty kind of.
Yeah, I slapped shit out you. I
I had to fart, my bad, man.
don't give a
Why you
you
so?
don't fart over there.
Okay, man.
Don't fart over here.
What going on, clown?
Fart over her.
What going on, clown?
You the clown.
Damn.
What's wrong with you?
That booty.
Man.
Shit.
Come here, man.
That motherfucker.
It's a
Dang it,
video.
boy.
It's a toy.
That
Look, the camera right there.
Dang it, boy. It's kind of smart putting his Instagram and shit right there, just so, you know what I'm saying, people,
I don't want no smoke with you or nah.
you know what I'm saying, when people
It's right there.
share his shit, you feel me, they'll see who it is.
Boy, that's crazy. I be watching you all the time.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Oh, my bad.
Let's
Hot
go have
punk
this.
ass.
Pardon me?
Let's go have this.
I didn't hear you.
Gotta have this?
Can you have this?
Yeah.
Well, there's more on the shelf.
All right. Here you go, man.
Nah, bro don't know how to react to that shit. Nigga like, what the fuck? Nah, that's crazy. Nah. Yo, that nigga mad.
Look. He finna hit me. Oh, shit.
Bro, they got that nigga booty in the camera and shit, boy.
Oh, shit. We're good. Let's part toy.
It's a far tour type shit. That motherfucker sounds
Excuse me,
too,
man. I
too
got back
real.
problems. Can you move that the way, please? Can you move that the way, please? My back hurt.
What are you?
Like you like moving. I'm trying to grab that right there.
Oh.
Okay.
Nah, that's
Sorry, man.
crazy.
I got fart problems. Thank you, man.
She probably thought that shit was real too. Nah, telling somebody to bend over and get something just so you can fart in their, nah, it's crazy. Or pretend to fart in their face, but it's like, damn. No, she felt played.
Thank you, man.
I went back and even fuck. You're not going back. Fuck it.
Excuse me, sir. Can you grab it for me, please? My back hurt.
Sorry?
My back hurt. I got a disabled back. Can you grab it for me,
A
please?
disabled back.
Grab what?
Right there, sir.
This?
Yeah.
Really?
Really?
My bad, sir.
Nah, bro, dumb. He fed up, bro.
You finna get somebody?
Yeah, I'm doing something right now.
Type shit. Let's take a picture. Hey, older people, that's fine. That's fine.
My bad, punk
Pull
ass.
up with the nigga with the red punk ass.
You alright, nigga?
Am I alright, nigga?
I had to fart, my nigga.
Fuck you mean, fart nigga? You better go
This shot, my nigga. Ain't nothing serious, nigga. It's a joke. Look, calm your ass down.
Nah, bro, this nigga here. This a
Sorry,
bold
man, I
ass
farted.
nigga.
Are you recording? You gotta be.
No,
You gotta be. You gotta be recording.
no, I'm recording.
You gotta be recording.
No,
Where the
no.
camera at? Cause you could. You
Okay,
can't
man.
be serious.
Okay, man. It's a part two.
I know. Yeah.
He said, "What a camera and looked at that motherfucker twice." That motherfucker must be hidden like a boy.
Oh, shit.
You good, brother?
What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you, bro? You had a bad day or something?
No, I think that was just very wild to do this directly in front of somebody. You know?
Right.
Okay, and punk ass. I don't give a damn.
Brother, go about your business.
No, I want to shop here too. I just
I'm gonna
farted,
call
bro.
mom real quick. Cause
Go about
I
your
bet
Thank
she
you.
got some
You
enchiladas in
got
the
all that
freezer and
parts
she
in
be taking too long to eat them.
Yeah, go on
hoes.
today, bro.
When I tear them up,
Sir, look. My bad.
I'll call her. I don't think she
My
answered.
bad, punk ass. My bad, clown.
Did she answer?
For real? The fun pranks?
Oh, yeah.
It's okay.
Oh, dude.
Look.
Type shit.
Instead of this one. Which one, the gray one?
Oh, she did answer.
Excuse me, man. Sorry.
Bitch ass nigga, did you just fuck? What the fuck?
He gonna bitch.
Hello?
Yeah. Never mind. You.
Hello? Oh, I was just trying to see, you know what I'm saying, if you wanted those enchiladas, because you didn't eat them yesterday, you know what I'm saying? Huh? Yeah, if you still wanted them on. All right. Thank you. All right. Nah, saying.
Clown.
I'm gonna go. Damn
What the
it.
hell? Why would y'all throwing? It's just fart. I can't fart.
That
I
nigga
can't
did
fart.
for it. She got the lighter. That's pepper spray. Damn, she got that bit bedazzled.
Excuse me. Oh, I move faster than that, man. Oh, shit.
Bro,
So
doing
what
to
you,
the
man?
nigga that's working on the bikes.
I can't fart, nigga. You said what?
You can fart you want to, it's your ass.
You said what, punk ass?
Oh God.
You mad cause I farted, nigga? But get a life. It's natural.
That nigga not trying to.
Did it get on your ass? Matter of fact, grab me a bite too. You're pretty strong, man. You wanna grab me a bite?
Man, ain't got no time for that shit, man.
Sorry, buddy. Oh shit.
Oh, I get mad as fuck, bro. The cabbage is crazy, nigga. Especially if I thought that shit, boy. I'm like, nigga, you finna go give me another cabbage, nigga, right now, nigga. That nigga
What's wrong with you,
disgusting.
bro? Don't worry about it.
That nigga disgusted, boy.
What's wrong with you, bro?
You just pick up my cabbage.
You said what?
You just pick up my cabbage.
You said what, punk ass? What's going on, man?
You ain't get a notification? Damn.
It's to your wife. Going on, man.
That big kind, well,
Come on, man.
it came out a
Was I
little
farted, bro?
late, I guess. I don't know. This nigga. Oh, he was logged out. Oh, type shit.
My bad, man. I just fart.
Nigga, here, boy.
Excuse me, sir. Can you have me that right there, please?
Huh?
Can you grab this right here, please?
Which one?
Right here. Yeah. Oh, right here. This right here.
Right here?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck wrong with you, man?
Hold on, calm down. It's a toy. Damn.
Oh, that boy.
It's a punch, sir.
Boy,
You
he
gonna hit
finna
me, man?
paint his ass, boy. But he finna paint it, bro. Boy, it's
What's this
crazy.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he's fucking with a Cowboys
There you go,
fan.
man. What's funny?
Them niggas.
See what you just did.
What, it's funny, clown?
Yeah.
You like farting or something?
Huh?
You like fart smells or something?
Nah, what you just did was funny.
Everybody keep squaring down.
Fuck. Bro, exactly. He setting him up to the right position, bro. Nigga like, hey, hand me that right there.
Stop. It's a fucking joke. It's a joke.
But why bro start putting the food on his ass?
God damn, this is a fucking toy. You on camera, bro.
Wait, is that his stuff right there? I think it fell.
Come on, let's go, bro. God damn. God damn, bro. They don't like doing this shit, man.
Nigga be risking his life.
I don't like doing this shit, dude.
That nigga say he don't like.
toy.
That nigga say he don't like
Yeah, I
doing
ain't
this shit,
got
but
my
do that
toy.
shit every day.
The dude hit me so hard, my toy came in my pocket, bro.
Oh, that was his shit. I knew I wasn't tripping. That was his shit on the ground. That little black thing. But
Y'all like that bear?
Yeah.
You like it?
What's up? You got a camera on me? What's up?
Look, calm down. Calm down. It's cool that I show y'all this 750.
750.
Yes.
750. What's that?
Basically,
this
you get
nigga,
750 in
man.
your
He-
cash deposit.
this nigga didn't got in on it. He didn't got in on the survey, man. He didn't got in on it.
What's up, man? What up with you, bro?
Dude, chill.
Oh yeah, this Louisiana nigga. That would sound like what's down, boy. Nah, hey, that's a wild. Nah, that's a wild one, bro. Why he cranked up his leg like that, my nigga? Hey, that's a wild one, ain't it?
Get y'all bear, bro.
Yeah, we gonna get him, man.
You know that shit fake. Hey, laughing and shit. Oh, like bro, crank this shit up.
What you got going, bro? What's up, man? What up with you, bro?
What's
Dude,
down,
chill.
man?
Get on, bro. Man, what the fuck wrong with you, man? Get on, bro. Fuck wrong with you, bitch ass nigga. Fuck wrong with you.
Dude, you on camera, dude. How you doing, man?
Nigga back.
That's rude. So that's how you doing? Excuse me, sir. I got really bad back problems. Can you please grab me this, please? I got back problems 'cause I hurt myself playing football drills. Can you please grab me there, please? I'm so sorry. Can you please?
I got what's the point to this?
Way
shit,
down
real
there.
that
Can you
nigga.
reach during that, please?
He said way down there.
Yeah.
Say ass nigga, bro. What the fuck is your problem, my nigga?
What's wrong with you, nigga? Stop. Okay, you
Boy,
on camera.
grab that
You on
nigga.
camera. You on camera. You on camera. Man, what the hell wrong with this nigga? You didn't see it? Bro, stop, bro. Look behind you on camera.
Bitch ass nigga. Damn, that's his
Why
female?
you chasing me, nigga? Stop chasing me, nigga. Stop chasing me, dude.
Damn.
Why you chasing my nigga? Stop chasing me, dude.
Hey.
Dude, stop, my nigga.
That's his female?
Stop.
I hope that. Bro,
Stop.
did rub
Why
down
you
on her
chasing my
booty.
nigga? Come on.
Yeah, that's
come
his
on,
female.
come on,
She
come on.
chased. She. Yeah.
Bob, stop chasing me, dude. Bob, come here, nigga. Bob, stop.
Damn.
Bob, stop.
Bro, tripping.
All right. That's
Nigga throwing up blood and shit. In the picture? Like, what?